Hello everyone, hope you guys are doing well. So good news is that I'm going to start new T24 functional live course for beginners or anyone who is new in T24 world. So I will try to cover this course in 20 hours and I will take classes on weekends. So this will be paid course. So there will be 6 modules within this course. So first module will be introduction of T24 where I will talk about how we navigate in T24 screens and how it looks and what is the role of T24 in banking industry. And second module will be user management, where I will show you how we can create user and we can assign different roles. Here, user will be like teller or anyone who operates on accounts or who creates banking customers. So we will have different type of users based on their roles. So I will show you how we can create with different users. And third module will be customer management. There I will show you how we can create different type of customer and how those customer uses different tables and some mandatory customer details. So and fourth module will be account. Account I will show you some arrange account. Those are created using arrangement architecture. That's the different way of creating products in T24. I will talk about those arrangement and the earlier account those were not using arrangement. So I will show you all types of account those we can create in T24. And number fifth, that is about fund transfer, how we can do fund transfer within bank or outside of bank, and some remittance. We will talk about different standing order transaction and different inquiries in that can be used in fund transfer. And another module that will be Taylor. I will discuss about Taylor's roles in T24 operations and some most important functionalities or tasks. Those are performed by Taylors. We'll talk about those information. So this course is especially for the anyone who is new in T24 world, and I will have some live session. I will show you and I will give you some examples, live scenarios in bank, how T24 is being used. And to more, if you want to join this course or if you want more details, please email me on learnt24 with me @gmail.com. That's that's already highlighted in yellow colors. And duration, I'm planning to have 15 to 20 hours. And we will talk more on details once you will be interested. Thanks for your time.